Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create ledgers in VT software. So we have to come in setup menu. Here you will get option of accounts, and in accounts you have to click on all. So once you click here, you will get this kind of display. So this one is charts of accounts, okay? And you can see the groups, and inside the groups you can see the ledgers like income is group, fees, interest receivable, and other things are ledgers. Suppose if I want to create a ledger inside cost of sales, then I have to click on cost of sales and click on new option. Now whatever ledger, I just have to mention a name like purchase one or something, and you can see it has been created inside the cost of sales group. Now let's create inside the income group like sales one, okay? Same way you can create in fixed asset group, liability group, okay? So you can see the various kind of groups here. Suppose if I want to create other creditors, so for that purpose I have to select a group of creditors. Just a minute. Yeah, this one is creditor. Now just click on new, just enter the name of ledger, other creditors, and click on OK. So you can see our ledger has been created. Now same way, if I want to change the properties, okay, so I can do it from here. I can delete from here also. You have to just select the ledger and just click on delete. Same way I can also change the properties like name and all things. Same way I can also move from one group to another group, okay. Same way I can also access the entries of particular ledger, okay. Suppose I am selecting entertaining and click on entries, so you can see all the entries related to entertaining expenses. Fine. So this is the one way by which you can create ledgers in VT software. And the same way you can also create ledgers at the time of creating purchase invoice, purchase credit note, sales invoice, or sales credit note. Okay, let me show you how. I am just selecting random details here. And here analysis ledger is important. Okay, these are the groups, and just click here, and in analysis account there is option of new, so you can directly create ledgers in particular group, okay. Same way we can also create a ledger in expense group, okay. So these are two ways by which you can create ledgers, and the second way is very good, okay. It saves our time, and at the time of creating bill or sales invoice we can create the ledger. Now let me show you how to create suppliers and customers. So you have to go in the same, but this time just select on supplier. So this one is supplier list. Same way customers are also there, as you can see, and here you can find the shortcut keys of customers. Same way suppliers. Now let's see how to create bank accounts here. Just click on bank. So you can see the three default accounts: current, deposit, and petty cash. You can change the name of these accounts. Otherwise you can also create a new account from here. You have to just enter the name of that bank. You have to enter short code, account number, overdraft limit, okay. Then you can also set this bank account as primary bank account, fine. Then you can enter contact address, notes. So our HSBC account has been created, as you can see. And in same way you can change the name from properties. You can move, you can delete accounts, okay. So in this way we can create accounts in VT transaction. Thank you.